Machine no response, print counter is static. Mode 1, for handheld inkjet printers. Set synchronous mode to encoding mode. Set the start signal to key. Mode 2, for photoelectric online inkjet printers. Set synchronous mode to timer. After connecting the photocell sensor, set timing speed to 2000 for testing. Set the start signal to light. Adjust print delay and timing speed after installing on the conveyor.